Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a workflow in Slack to automate your repetitive tasks and save your team hours of manual work. Step 1. Open the Workflow Builder. In the 2026 Slack interface, the automation tools have a dedicated home in your sidebar. Look at your left-hand sidebar and click on the Create New or plus icon, then select Workflow. Step 2. Choose your trigger. A trigger is the specific event that tells the workflow to start running. Under Start the Workflow, click Choose an Event. Common 2026 triggers include On a Schedule, great for daily stand-ups or weekly reminders. When a message is posted, use this to trigger actions based on specific keywords. From a link, this creates a Start Workflow button you can post anywhere in Slack. When an emoji reaction is used, perfect for claim and track systems. Step 3. Add steps and publish. Now that Slack knows when to start, you need to tell it what to do by adding steps. Click Add Step and select an action such as send a message or create a form. Forms are incredibly powerful for intake requests. You can collect text, dates, or even files. In 2026, you can also use conditional branching, which lets the workflow take different paths, like if approved, send to finance, if denied, message the requester. Once your logic is set, click Finish Up, give it a name, and hit Publish. And that's pretty much it. To build a workflow in 2026, navigate to the Tools tab, click New Workflow, and pick a trigger like a schedule or a keyword. Add your steps, including forms or messages, and use conditional branching if you need the workflow to make decisions. Hit Publish, and your automation is ready to work. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.